Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very honor for us, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta Library Team to join 2024 ICCS. I'm Novi Diana Fauzi, and our team is Arda Putri Winata, Eko Kurniawan, Nur Hasim Latif, Safira Afra Kamilah, and Muhammad Naufal Hidayatullah. And this community service done by the cooperation between Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta Library with Badan Penelitian dan Pengembangan Bapelitbang Banjarnegara. This research investigates the reading interest level among the Banjarnegara village community. It examines 5 dimensions: reading frequency and duration, number of reading materials, and internet access frequency and duration. Additional factors like leisure activities, reading motivation, themes, and format were explored. Also, interview with various professionals were held to provide deeper insight. The OECD's PISA report showed the decline in Indonesia reading score in 2022, dropping to 359 from 371 in 2018, marking the lowest score recorded. The Pojok Membaca Digital, we call it POKADI service, were launched in Banjarnegara to address this. However, obstacles include low public visit library, insufficient library support, limited facilities, and inadequate promotion of digital library. Accessing reading habits is crucial for developing effective literacy program tailored to community needs. Ladies and gentlemen, this research employs a mixed method approach, combining quantitative and qualitative methods, with a sample 555 people from diverse educational and professional backgrounds. Data was collected from January to March 2024 through questionnaires distributed via WhatsApp Blast and in-depth interviews with selected respondents. This approach ensures comprehensive insight into the study focus. The literature review covers the concept, benefits, factor, impact, and strategy to improve reading interest. Ladies and gentlemen, in this research, 34% of respondents, or 189 out of 555 people, are aged 10 to 24 years. Additionally, 30% of respondents are aged 40 to 54 years, while 28% are aged 20 to 39% years. As for the result, the first indicator showed that among the 555 respondents from Banjarnegara district, the community reading frequency is categorized as moderate, with an average score of 59.955 and reading frequency of 3 to 4 times a day. The second indicator focuses on reading duration, measures in minutes per day for both digital and printed material. The Banjarnegara community average a low category reading duration score of 39.95. The daily reading times ranging 1 to 59 minutes. The third indicator, focusing on number of reading materials, reflect the diversity of daily reading habits. In Banjarnegara, the average number of material per day is 42.66, falling to the moderate category. Residents typically engage with 3 to 4 different materials daily, spanning both digital and printed format. The fourth indicators concern internet access frequency, reflecting how often people in Banjarnegara access digital reading materials daily. On average, residents access the internet 5 to 6 times a day, scoring 63.15, indicating a high frequency of digital engagement. Fifth indicators measures daily internet access duration for reading materials among the Banjarnegara community. On average, they spend about 44.73 minutes daily online, categorized as moderate, with duration typically ranging from 1 to 1 hour 59 minutes. In our survey, the reading proficiency level of respondents showed that 36.6% fall into the medium category, with interval score between 40.01 to 60, totaling 203 respondents. Meanwhile, 39.3% of respondents, or 280 individuals, are in a low category, with score between 20.01 to 40. Based on the previous indicators, the Banjarnegara district community show a moderate reading interest level, averaging 48.60. Their typical reading duration range from 1 to 1 hour 50 minutes. In their spare time, 72.3% respondents commonly engage in activities such as using social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Line, and YouTube. 65.5% respondents seek information driven by their motivation to gain knowledge and insight, and 49% to fill their free times. Based on our survey result about reading themes, the Banjarnegara community show that a strong preference for reading materials covering entertainment, sport, and also literary themes like fiction and novel. 80% of the respondents favor digital reading format like smartphone, tablets, PC, over printed materials. Digital formats are preferred because they are portable and offer a wide variety of themes. 88.6% of the respondents often reads at home, but offices, school, campuses are also popular spots. They show that comfortable location significantly influence the reading habits. Respondents also experience significant benefit for their reading habits, including enhanced analytical abilities, reduce stress, improve concentration and memory, expanding vocabulary, and better writing skills. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Banjarnegara community shows moderate reading habits, reading 3 to 4 times a week with an average of 59.955. They spend 39.95 minutes daily on reading, which is classified as low. On average, they can show 42.66 reading material daily, ranging from 3 to 4 items, both digital and printed. Their internet usage is high. Accessing is 5 to 6 times a day with average of 63.15. The average internet access duration is 44.73 minutes daily, placing them in the moderate category. For the recommendation, the library must adjust a service hour to meet community needs and increase the quality and variety of its collection. Innovative programs should be developed to distribute reading materials widely, and both funds should be managed to enhance school libraries. Additionally, promoting reading through collaboration with community organizations is essential. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully this community service will give benefit for both parties. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya.